Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can boost your bass in Adobe Audition. First of all, you have to go to Effects. From there, you have to go to Stereo Imagery. After that, you have to select the Central Channel Extractor. Now here you have to choose your preset based on your requirement. I will choose Amplifier Vocal 66 dB and I will preview it. So you can choose this preset or you can also play with these settings as well. So this is very helpful. And if you choose your preset and you finalize your requirements, then just simply click on apply. So it will apply all the settings on your audio or music. So this is how you can boost your bass in Adobe Audition. If this tutorial helped you, then subscribe to the channel and thanks for watching.